Hello, Math 96. Today's Monday, September 28th. Today, test makeups and announcements for seniors. Tonight's homework, make sure everything is uploaded for grading into your digital workbook. Okay, did you take the Chapter 1 test last week? If not, go into your scheduled time period, Google Meet today. It doesn't matter if you are sync or async today, just go into the Google Meet during your class period. Your teacher is waiting there for you to make up the test. So if you're in fifth period, you should log on to the Google Meet at 1. If you're in sixth period, you should log on to the Google Meet at 1:50. If you're in second period, you should log on to the Google Meet at 10:05. And first period is at 9:15. So if you do not make up the test, a 0 score will go into Aries and your triad grade will fall to failing for the triad. Okay, so it's important that seniors get information. October is going to be college kickoff month. So I want to make sure that you are joined in your Google Classroom for your graduating class, 12th grade, class of 2021. Okay, so if you can write down the code, it's in blue, JAUUPA4. And then I'll show you what you need to do. Let me just end this show for a minute. Okay. So to join the Google Classroom, you go to a blank page, go to your waffle, that's what they call that, and then find Classroom. So again, go to what's called the waffle, go to Classroom. These are just my classes. So your classes will come up. You hit plus, join class, and then that class code was JAUUPA4. And then click join. So this is the class of 2021 for seniors. And then there's streams of information, obviously, and classwork. So there's the College and Career Center, Health and Wellness Center, military information, Think Together, college athletes, scholarship information, AP information, career exploration, college readiness, college presentations, information about the University of California system, Cal State University system, private and out-of-state colleges and university information, CSF, and virtual college fairs. So you want to check your Google Classroom for THS Class of 2021 for updated information. Okay, so we just did that. There's the code again if you missed it. And then the last thing I just wanted to do, every now and then we have some announcements that I can bring forth to you. It should be on the next slide here. So this is for September 30th. It's in 2 days. This is for Future College Athletes Workshop for students and their parents. They'll cover all the rules for NCAA, NAIA, updates to Talkwitz Athletics, and there will be a Q&A session. And it says at the bottom there, contact Miss Figueroa. You email her and just say, I need more information about the Future College Athletes Workshop. And then this should also be posted in that Google Classroom that you just joined. All right, so there's a virtual meeting. You need to get the link there. So go to your Google Classroom, Future College Athletes, and click the link. Okay, don't forget, if you need to take the test, please come into your Google Meet And then also go ahead and upload everything, including your notes from your white notebook at home. If you happen to be new to my classroom and are in period 2 or 6 today, you can also come into the Google Meet because I do need to speak with you. I know I have a couple of new students that are coming into Math 96. So pop into the Google Meet and talk with Ms. Arto for about how to get ready for the class. Thank you, you guys.